Anong coping mechanism mo pag stress ka?
Very nice. I think we all have different coping mechanisms.
Tsaka madami yan. Kasi merong healthy coping mechanisms.
I'm gonna admit, I used to vape a lot before. Until last year.
Yeah.
Not just before, until last
What
year.
was the month yung pag-let go mo niyang vape na yan?
Ang daming beses kami nag-away ni Esa about this kasi there have been times na sinabi ko nag-quit na ako.
Pero bumabalik.
Alam mo paano niya ako nahuli?
Oo.
There was this one time, ito yung pinaka-laugh trip na huli niya sa akin sa vape. Sabi ko nag-quit na ako. And it's funny, and I found it really stupid na pupunta akong banyo para umitit ng vape.
Sabi ko na.
Para sa akin, tama ka naman, sabi ko, putya, ang hirap naman ito. Tatago ka pa. Tapos ang beses, nandun kami sa bahay niya. Pandemic pa. So ako, parang pagkalabas ng banyo, hinag niya ako. Umilag ako!
Alam nang may tinatago.
Oo, umilag ako. Parang nag-hug ako pero pa-side.
Oo.
Kasi ayoko makapal yung vape. Kapag nag-hug ako, malalaman naman parang matigas dyan.
Umiwas ka pa. Sana hinag mo na lang. Di ka sana napag-isipan na masama.
Hindi. Malalaman
kasi kung you never delete convo, it's a no-no. Correct. Yung pag-iwas, pag ihahag kayo, mas no-no yun, be?
Oo. So medyo, it was a big issue. But I still vaped after that.
Yeah.
So sabi niya sa akin.
So when you're stressed, you're vaping?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pero that was my coping mechanism. Kasi sa akin, parang, alam mo yung parang agit ka lang, kailangan mo lang ng something.
Nasanay ka na. So ano pinalit mo sa kanya kung wala na siya ngayon? Yun ang coping mechanism mo.
I think it's been, parang 4 months.
Congratulations,
you have been
Papi.
You quit a long time ago.
Yes, super tagal na.
Not to say
before. Tsaka hindi, nag-start ako with Yossi talaga.
Ako rin.
Yung totoong Yossi. Pareho tayo, yung bago, yung panggabi pa ako bago mag-start yung show.
Kape.
Pero hindi ako addict eh. Mas malakas ako mag-Yossi pagka nag-iinom.
Siyempre, kasi hinahanap-hanap mo yung, yung oral fixation, sabi nga nila.
And then, nung nabuntis ako with Lexi, siyempre kailangan mo mag-stop. Nauso na yung vape di ba? Parang pandemic. And then, pre-pandemic, nauso yung vape. Tapos nabuntis ako kay Lexi, wala na. Totally, since then. So, 6 years na akong
vape-free.
Oo, vape-free. So, sometimes hinahanap ko, alam mo, minsan pag nasa inuman
tapos
kayo.
Tapos nakalapag sa table yung friend mo, nagbe-vape.
Nakikihits-hits ka lang. Pero hindi na yung katulad dati na lagi, like yung after meal.
Yeah.
Hindi talaga maghahanap ka ng pwesto.
I think
or kapag nagdadrive.
Mismo, traffic.
Sa loob ng kotse, right?
I think it got to that point kasi nga vape, walang amoy. Diba?
Tapos parang feeling natin pag vape, mas healthy.
Correct. Na wala namang ginagawa.
Pero actually hindi. Kasi wala pa talagang scientific sinasabi ng iba mas nakakatakot. Kasi mas kung mag-vape ka daw, mag-yosi ka na lang. May mga
oil
ganun
daw
pa.
siya or something. Of course, we're not scientists. No?
We really don't know. But I'm just glad na at least, naalis na natin kahit papano.
It took me a while kasi after that, nag-quit ako. Tapos, I think there was one really stressful day. I had to buy one again. So, bili na naman. Pads na naman.
So, ngayon, anong ginagawa mo? Lalo pag stress ka, anong pinalit mo?
Ngayon?
Sa akin, kain talaga. Tsaka shopping.
Midnight snack ka ba? Yung shopping kita naman namin. Na medyo...
Uy, pero hindi totoo Naging parang hindi na maganda yung retail therapy ko.
Talaga? Bakit? It got bad?
Oo, yung parang minsan kahit... Nauso yung live selling ng mga alahas ngayon. Mas madali
on
ka
TikTok?
Lahat, iba-iba. Facebook,
Where do you
Instagram.
normally buy? If you don't mind me asking.
Facebook, Instagram, ang dami.
Meron kang trusted accounts?
Japan online shops. Gagi, hindi totoo. Minsan yung pagod ako, tapos
ayoko
manonood.
tuloy follow yan. Pa-follow ko dapat yan, huwag na.
Hindi ba? Follow mo kasi deserve mo eh. Aray ko!
Saan to?
Yung kanina pinag-uusapan natin.
May promotion. Sino to?
No. Wait lang, pinag-uusapan natin yung healthy coping mechanism. Kasi obviously, vape is not healthy. Pero
but
also retail therapy is not healthy.
Why?
It's causing my bank account harm. To the point na nilagay ko na yung pera ko sa, pucha, pasok ko na ng buds to. Kasi nakikita ko patang ina na.
Paano yung magalaw?
Hindi mo na pamura na ako. Shit, nauubos. Bumibili ako ng bumibili.
How bad did it get?
Like every day.
Are you serious?
I buy stuff kahit di ko kailangan. Yun ang naging coping mechanism.
Kailan to? Sorry.
Noon na-stress ako, noon nagka-anxiety ako. Oo. Tapos, natigil lang ako mga...
Explain mo lang to. I'm sure a lot of...
Iba-iba yung binibili ko, be. Bibili akong bag.
I have retail
nakalami
therapy.
ako ng alahas. Pero good thing is, at least alahas yung binili ko.
Correct.
Gold.
Maiikot.
Investment is... Gold is like good investment.
Correct.
Right? So
Teka lang. I'm curious ako dyan. Kasi I'm trying to think if ma-retail therapy ako. I shop siguro when we're abroad. No? But in the
online,
Philippines...
Online, di ka ma-shop?
Hindi. I don't think I've...
Very good.
Bumili pa ako na Kaya na-curious ako eh. So I asked for this. Kasi hindi pa ako...
Mahilig ka sa watches, di ba?
Oo. But I also set... Even when it comes to that, I find either kailangan sa AD, sa dealer mismo. Or if not, if there's something I really like, hindi ako gigil. Willing ako mag-wait hanggang...
How many days are you willing to wait?
There was a watch I waited for... nag-back and forth kami ng seller. 8 months.
Wow, ang galing mo.
At alam pinaglalabanan namin, 30,000 pesos.
Wow! So, gigil ako.
Ayaw niya ibigay. Sabi ko, okay lang. Sige, I don't need the watch naman.
Tsaka it really makes me happy.
After 2 months, 3 months, nagparamdaman na naman. Nabenta
Pero
na ba?
matagal yun, ang galing mo.
Tagal.
Kudos.
6 to 8 months. Kasi for me kasi,
so, ngayon nakita ko.
Eto mga to, alam ko I don't really need these things. Kahit sa mga kotse ganyan, even if there's a car I really want.
So how many months mo yung mga big purchase talagang yun, pag-iisipan mo yun eh.
Pero other than that, hindi na ako maalahas, as you can tell.
Hindi ka mahilig sa alahas.
So, wala. So, kaya mas curious ako sa retail
mahilig
therapy.
Mahilig ako sa alahas. Super hilig ko sa alahas.
So, okay. So, you buy and then...
Yun ang naging retail therapy ko.
Do you...
Ang daming live selling ng alahas, for sure makaka-relate dyan yung mga babae.
So, wait. Help me understand. So, ano to? Pag nabili mo na, tapos ayaw mo, nagsawa ka na, benta ka ulit. O hindi? Nasa lahat?
Minsan ganon. Binibenta ko. Pero madalas gigil ako.
Okay.
Kaya in-unfollow ko po yung ibang...
Are you serious? Grabe.
Retail therapy. Kasi kesa food. Alam mo
Ma-food ako. Patay din ako dyan.
So,
alam ng asawa ko yan.
Yun yung mga, ano yung pinag-uusapan natin? Coping mechanisms. Kapag pagod ka, pag stress ka. There's food,
stress,
there's retail therapy. Yung iba journaling eh. Yung iba naman nag-addict sa physical activity. Di ba iba nag-addict sa physical activity?
You can count me in as one of the people na ganun
nag-addict sa physical activity?
Hindi naman nag-addict, pero yun yung
sweating
gagawin ko.
Is parang for you, nare-release yung stress mo doon.
Kailangan mag-bike, kailangan mag-run, basta I just have to be active kasi kung hindi, masisira, kakainin ako ng stress ko.
Di ba nasabi ko sa'yo, I don't like running? Pero nung nagka-anxiety ako, nasimulan kong magustuhan yung running.
And until now, you do it.
Yes, parang naklaro yung utak ko.
That's what I love about it.
I don't know why. Kasi,
not particularly
also
running.
naman cycling also is good.
Any workout, I think, of course, dopamine is there. Diba? Yung parang yung ano mo, yung happy hormones mo, endorphins and whatnot. But, whatever activity it is, ano yan eh. Alam mo kung bakit? I was reading up about it, no? Ba't nagkagayan? Ano kay? Iwan phone, ideally, iwan phone ka.
Hindi mo hawak.
Pag nag-cycling ka, hindi ka pwedeng pa-text-text
Kaya
yan.
masarap mag-cycling. And also swimming, right?
For running, siguro, bunot ka ng phone. Pero tago mo rin kasi hassle din naman na.
Yes, hirap naman nun. True.
Aksidente ka rin yun. So, I think that's one of the things na that batch naging coping mechanism for a lot of people, coping mechanism. It's because you're away from your phone, away from the blue light. You're not thinking about, did somebody text me? May hinabol ba ako ng trabaho? May email ba akong kailangan sagutin? It becomes your time.
And then I-realize ko na, pinag-uusapan natin yung coping mechanism. Nung time ng Twitter, hindi pa siya X. Coping mechanism ko rin pala yung pag-stress ako, nagtutweet ako ng kung ano-ano.
Like what?
Like, yun yung time na nag-tweet ako about Senator Bato. Naalala mo yun? Meron akong specific tweet before na
medyo kumala.
tas parang na-hurt pa nga siya. Pero ngayon, pati na kami ni Senator.
Ay, wow. Okay. Good for you.
Hindi kami friends, pero okay na kami.
Okay na kayo.
Like, yan, yung mga ganon. Ang dami ko yata mga na-tweet, hindi lang about Bato, about yung iba pang mga artista na parang, ngayon iniisip ko, bakit mo ginawa? Like, yung mga ganun ako. So parang naging coping mechanism ko siya. In a way, okay, kasi nare-release mo yung gusto mong sabihin. Pero sometimes hindi rin okay kasi may mga tinatamaan. Alam mo yun?
Sa gigil eh. Yung gigil mo yun eh. Let's talk about using your phone. Ma-doom scroll ka ba? Pag-stress ka yung parang scroll ka ng scroll. Wala ka na minsan pakialam sa sinuscroll mo.
Hindi. Mas mag-group chat ako. Ma-chismis ako sa group chat. Uy, kamusta kayo?
Okay.
Ganon.
Okay.
Oo. Chismis sa group chat.
Ako naman, mas ma-doom scroll.
Ma-doom scroll ka.
Pag ano to, stress ta. We're talking about coping mechanism. On a normal
mas nakaka-stress yun eh.
On a normal day, I wouldn't as much. But on a stressful day, I would.
Kapag nagdo-doom scroll ka, chances are, you're stressed.
Oo.
Okay.
Ito yung mga scroll na ako, wala nang pakialam.
Pero mas nakaka-stress yun, papi. Di ba?
Yun nga, not to say that it's healthy, like you said kanina, vaping is not healthy.
Oo, kasi before wala na yung vaping mo, so parang yun yung pumalit.
Kasi naghahanap ka ng kapalit
Gagawin. Oo.
But I realized na, talaga parang nothing beats calming your mind down, but it's very hard to do.
Calming your mind, and speaking of calming your mind, another thing that helped me last year, pinagkakalat ko talaga sa mga friends ko, uminom ka.
Okay.
Yung friend ko na di okay, kasi nung December, once a week consistent yata ako every Friday.
Okay, parang yun yung release day mo. Release day mo
meron akong liquor day with my friends. Hindi super lasing, pero talagang yung hindi ko usual na ginagawa na nagpapaabot kami, kwentuhan lang until 3 to 4 in the morning.
Seryoso hanggang 4?
Oo.
Pero nag-ano ka na Saturday, diba? Nag-extra ata pag wala na to.
Sa hapon. Basta pag natutulog kami ng mahaba, pagpuyat kami ng hanggang 4 a.m. And it helped me kasi parang na-break yung routine ko. So,
Are you a wine drinker? Do you go heavy?
Wine or tequila?
Okay.
Ganyang level. So,
Okay.
alam mo yung hindi naman, niisip ko nga minsan, yung alak ba yung nagpapasaya sa akin, nagpapakalma sa akin? Kasi nung time na naging okay ako because of that, kahit nasa bahay lang ako, mag-1 glass of wine ako. I don't know. I mean,
mag-deep dive tayo dyan.
Hindi ako addict sa alak actually. Hindi ako addict sa alak. Oo, yeah. Last Friday, I met up with my friends. Tapos nagiinom sila, nagkape lang ako.
Okay.
Habang sila nagiinom. Kakabotox ko lang eh.
Okay. Langiya. Sabi ko parang may reason to. Sabi ko may reason to kasi malamang gago ikaw, kape ka lang.
Nagkape ako.
Proud pa siya. Nagkape lang ako.
May picture yung kape.
Sabi ko,
kala nyo, thank you ba Sir Amer?
Ulol, meron tong
Nagkape lang ako, nagiinom sila. Yung asawa ko umiinom
kasi may
habang ako
reason
nakakap. Pinicturean ko pa yung kape.
Hanip. May reason nga. Sabi ko, hindi ka uminom bakit?
Pero I have to admit na mas masaya ako nung 2 Fridays ago na nung kasama ko sila, umiinom ako. Masaya din ako dahil kasama ko sila, nagkwentuhan kami. So, what's with alcohol? I mean,
Teka, hindi. I'm sure you've been reading about this. You've been reading about, me and Essa have been talking about this endlessly. She's also she's been on this, I don't want to drink anymore.
Okay. Si Mike, ganyan din.
Phase.
Pagka napuyat ka, yung mapupuyat ka, tapos sasabihin mo kinabukasan, ayoko na magpuyat, di na talaga ako iinom.
Is it our age? Are we at that age? Or is it the trend? I'm sure you've been reading about this na less and less people are drinking alcohol.
Less people? Ay, sa era ko more people.
No, millennials
really?
are the most drunk.
Ay, oo.
Tao dito.
Sorry.
Generation.
Well,
in history.
If you're saying less people, Gen Z era yon. Yung mga Gen Z to. Pero totoo yan. Tama yung sinabi mo. Actually, totoo yung sinasabi ni Papi. Pero yung mga millennials, nakilala ko, nag-aalak pa rin naman sila ngayon. And I have to agree with you na ang most drunk generation is us. Kasi wala na ako ewan ko, baka di lang natin sila nakikita kasi hindi na rin naman tayo lumalabas, Papi. Baka mainom pa rin naman sila ngayon. Tsaka hindi na sila sa BGC, nasa poblasyon na sila. Nasa Makati sila.
Small bars.
Oo, mas ganun yung gusto nila. O ano sabi?
So it's been a trend that the younger generations, including Gen Zs and millennials, are drinking less due to a cultural shift. Prioritizing health. As we can see, dumadami mga run club, runs, high rocks, paddle ball, whatever.
Pickleball.
Ano pickleball? Namali na naman ako. Economic factor is also a cost. We're talking about drinking particularly. Ang mahal na uminom ngayon. If you drink outside, a cocktail.
And then don't drink outside.
Yeah, because we're smart.
Yeah.
But if you're wala ka pang bahay, you're maybe
or sometimes you just want to go out eh. Di ba?
Correct.
Minsan iba rin yung vibe eh.
500 to 600 for a cocktail if in a nice bar. Or
ganun na kamahal?
3 to 600. Nasa ganun.
Wala na yung panahon natin, yung 250.
Wala na. Or
2
bucket.
bottles.
Ilan yung bucket?
Oo. Dati, 350.
Diba?
Yung bucket.
5 plus 1.
At may kasama pang pulutan.
Boom. Paddy's Point.
Tsaka hindi, yung Tides.
Tides
era. Hello,
mismo.
nag-Tides ka ba?
Oo. Tsaka yung Tomas Morato. Gillies.
So, wait lang. Magkano entrance nun before sa embassy? Naalala mo? Kasi laging GL lang eh. GL.
Mga kilala tayo.
May
kilala tayo. Di tayo
pero nakakaya yun. Pipila ka dun sa gilid.
Oo.
Tapos sasabihin mo yung pangalan nung nag-GL sa'yo. Tapos sasabihin, puno na po.
And there is an increasing number of what they call the sober curiosity. Because we've been drinking all these years, mas curious na yung mga tao, ano kaya yung feeling na sober ka? In all fairness, eto nga, si Esa has been on that road na parang...
Sino ba mas mainom sa inyo?
Ako, definitely.
Okay, pareho tayo.
Same, I like my tequila, I like my whiskey, I like my wines. Yung tatlo. In no particular order, but I'll indulge, no?
Yeah.
Ang problema sa akin, I'm not sure if a lot of guys can relate to this, is either uminom tayo o wag na tayo mag-one drink.
So magpapakalasing ka?
Nalalasing ako. Oo. Pero...
So, sinasadya mo? Kasi alam mo naman kung hanggang saan lang yung kaya mo
Hindi naman to lasing na
Hindi kita i-judge.
Hindi naman to
kasi
lasing
minsan
na...
mas happy talaga pag medyo hindi yung super lasing, yung lasing na sakto lang.
Tipsy. Okay.
Kasi pag one, parang kulang pag
Kulang sa akin.
Drink eh.
Parang kung hindi tayo...
Parang kailangan 4 or 5.
Mismo. Boom. Sakto. Kung mag-one drink tayo, putsa, huwag na tayo uminom.
Hindi kasi parang pag one, parang di talaga masaya. Aminin nyo. Mas sumasaya yung kwentuhan pag medyo pa 4 or 5 na yung drinks.
Correct.
Right?
Doon na medyo... Sabi nga, it's a social lubricant, but do we really need it? Sabi nila. But once again, it's a personal choice. Si Esa has been on that route. So recently, nagkakaroon kami ng...
So ayaw niya na? Oo.
As in, sabi niya...
Pero kaya lang, wala siyang choice dahil nandun ka.
Hindi naman. There are nights where she will really have half a glass of wine and
Same with Mike.
I'd finish...
Ba't di kayo magsamang dalawa, Esa?
Yun nga sabi ko.
Meron times na talaga umiinom kami, siya talagang siya
Zero.
inom.
Same.
Or
Same.
sometimes,
Same.
nakakaapat na bottle tuloy na drink na ako. Tapos, isa pa lang siya, di niya pa nababawasan.
Correct.
So ako pa yung magsasabi na, dinadaya tayo ni Mike. Oo.
Ganun ako dati. Diba? Sabi ko, sige na, shot na. But it came to the point na...
It's age.
Could be, but Esa's a lot younger than us.
How young again is Esa?
She's wala pa siyang mid-30s.
My gosh, ang aga niyang napagod. Oo.
Ngayon, her reason being, when I asked her, so bakit?
Ano daw?
And this is what she says. Ayaw na niya yung feeling na, number
masakit
one, may drag.
Hangover.
Kahit di masakit ulo, yung drag lang. Hindi ka 100% yung brain
masakit
mo.
ulo. Tsaka masakit ulo kinabukasan.
Tama naman. And, ang pinakaayaw niya, becoming lasing. Ito yung lasing na lasing, yung blackout. Have you ever had that?
Oo naman. Binubuhat ako sa barbie.
Hindi lang yun.
Inuuwi ako.
Mas hassle.
Ni Mike, ha? Oo.
Sana naman.
Oo.
Ang pinaka-hassle dyan, I'm not sure kung nangyari sa inyo to. Yung the next day, putya, pagkagising mo, stress ka, shit, may nasabi ba ako kagabi na medyo hindi ko nagawa o nasabi na putya,
na hindi mo na talaga alam.
So ngayon, naghihintay ka sa mga group chat. Kung merong magre-report na, papi, kagabi, medyo may nasabi kang ganyan. Tapos buong araw, naghihintay lang ako sa phone ko. Parang, kasi hindi ko nga alam. Ayaw mo rin naman magtanong.
So, kaya
you don't want to be the one to ask na parang, guys, may nasabi ba ako kagabi? Kasi kung wala naman.
So, you're the type na pagka medyo talaga nakakainom, all out ka. Sasabihin mo lahat.
No naman. Hindi rin ako ganun. Actually, baliktad ako. I
Tahimik
get quiet as...
So, hindi ka delikado pag nalalasing.
Hindi talaga.
Kasi ako, yung mga sinasabi mong blackout, bago ako ma-blackout, nangungotong ako ng tao.
Medyo naging violent ka.
Na hindi ko kakilala.
Yun. May mga ganyan. Nagiging over-friendly ka na.
Mapapaaway na yung jowa ko sa bar. Yung mga ganong level.
So...
But those are our younger days. I mean, that's what's good about yung biology mismo ng katawan natin. Di ba kayo natutuwa na umiinom pa rin ako ngayon. Same. Pero ang maganda is alam ko talaga yung limit ko whether kasama or hindi ko kasama yung asawa ko. Before nung bata ko, kahit wala akong kasama, kahit walang magdadrive para sa akin, sorry, wag niyong gagawin. Oo
naman.
Ilalaban mo. And hindi mo alam kung paano ka nakauwi. Hindi mo alam kung
blackout.
Blackout nga. Paano ko na-drive yun?
Nag-autopilot ka na.
Don't drink and drive. It's
never.
really dangerous. So, natutuwa naman ako ng mga Gen Z, mas bata sa atin, hindi ganon. But at the same time, natutuwa rin ako na na-experience ko yun.
Ako rin, no regrets.
Kasi I think those are the happiest moment of my life. Kasama yun doon.
Diba, parang, tequila made you happy. Did broccoli help you do that? Diba? Yung parang, will broccoli make you dance on the table?
Diba, yung lasing ka na, pupunta ka pa hahanap ka ng kakainan. Busog na busog ka. Tapos nakaganong ka na ng
wala ka ng pakialam.
Hindi ka naman talaga kakain.
But I know a lot of people that are actually
still doing it up to now?
Starting to quit alcohol.
Good for you guys.
Dumadami ang kilala ko.
I don't think alcohol is bad. Same with food. Sa akin lang, too much of anything is a bad thing.
Correct.
So if you're an occasional drinker like me,
same.
and yun nga yung sa akin kasi nakatulong talaga. It helped me with calming my mind, being happy at the moment. Hindi ko naman everyday ginagawa. Like, occasionally talaga. Minsan nga sa isang linggo wala pa eh. Or sometimes sa bahay lang ako, mag-isa lang ako. 1 drink lang. So, if it helps you
I believe in
release your stress and all that, at wala ka namang inaaberyang tao, nagagawa mo pa rin yung trabaho mo kinabukasan, then so be it.
Yun nga, there's this also, I'm not sure if you've read it, all these articles coming out now. If you have 1 drink, kahit 1 drink, yung fat burning mo, magsa-stop.
Ay?
3 hours.
3 hours lang.
Per drink.
Ay, shit.
So, kung naka-4 ka na drink, titigil. Kasi pa-prioritize ng liver mo yung pagsunog ng alcohol. Pag-process nun. Tapos babalik sa regular programming niya. Kasi technically, poison nga din yung alcohol for the body. But I'm gonna go to what you said, which I was defending to my wife.
Okay. Paano depensa mo kay Esa?
Kung sabihin natin, yes, it's a toxin technically, yeah. Pero sabi ko, if it makes you happy, it clears your mind.
Yeah, it clears your mind.
It helps with your mental health.
True.
Then it becomes a battle between your body's, tawag dito.
And how you're feeling.
Oo, exactly. Your body's, masama sa katawan mo, pero mabuti sa mental health mo. So ngayon, there are these 2 things battling it out. But yes, do you need alcohol to be happy? Probably not. Do you need alcohol to be a fun person? Probably not.
Yeah.
But I stand with you in saying, kasi yun din yung argument namin na if having a couple of drinks, of course, you're not probably gonna get smashed to the blackout level ulit.
Yeah, wala na. Hindi
Wala
na natin gagawin yun, you know why? Iba na rin yung katawan natin.
Tsaka hindi na maganda
yung isang
feeling.
araw ng puyat, 3 or 4 days talaga nating pagdudusahan.
But if that one or two drinks would help you with your mental state, make you feel
Or
relaxed,
will make you happy after a long day.
go for
Coping
it.
mechanism nga
Correct.
right?
I am, I siguro choose my battles. Kasi December na to, it was the first December last 2025 December. Of course, may gig every day, no? But it's the first time in 6 or 7 years na hindi ako nagkasakit.
Very good.
But I drank, but I drank only, I think, 6 or 7 times for the whole month. Pinili ko.
Oo.
Kung feeling ko, hindi na sulit yung inom.
Madami yun nainggit ako doon.
Sa 6 or 7
Madami-dami yung
naman.
6 or 7 mo
Si mo,
Parang
araw-araw
mga 4 or 5 lang ako.
Araw-araw may party na, di ba, hino-host or whatnot.
Oo,
But
oo.
also, if you think it's not serving you anymore, it's a personal thing.
Yeah.
No? Am I quitting drinking? I don't think so.
Mm-hmm.
No? But I siguro am more choosy with when I drink.
And who you drink with.
And yeah. When I drink, what I drink, and who I drink with. Kung feeling ko, I think that's one thing also na medyo nag-evolve at nagbago through the years. No? Dati kasi inom lang kahit sino, especially like after an event, may mag-offer lang, inom ako. No? Pero ngayon parang, siguro I'm also valuing more connections with people. Like,
Amen.
if, diba, parang that inuman session would bring parang,
Pansinin nyo, kung meron kayong cycling group or running group, mas madali mag-ayang, saan kayo mamaya? Inom tayo.
Correct.
Kesa sa takbo tayo. Or bike tayo. Mas ang daming pumupunta.
kasi
Pag inom tayo.
Pag inom tayo. Pero syempre,
Pansinin nyo.
walang pagod involved.
Yeah.
But to each his own, once again, we're not dictating if you should drink, you should not drink. I know there's this whole, like I said, yung surge nga na wala na umiinom masyado, less
Pero bakit
alcohol.
nga nagkaganon, Why? Bakit kumukonti yung umiinom? Yun nga yung sinasabi mo kanina. Mas conscious na sila.
Now there's less. Alam mo before na parang pag hindi ka umiinom, ang corny naman ito.
Oo.
Kahit isang shot, corny, wala na to
Ngayon,
si Chacha. Baduy na to, hindi na to umiinom.
Hanggang ngayon, ganyan pa rin yung ibang kakilala natin.
Pero ngayon it's less.
Yeah.
Not like before na ganyan talaga yung automatic reaction.
Tsaka yung talagang isasambulat talaga sa mukha mo yung alak para uminom ka.
I remember si Tony when he stopped his drinking.
Okay. He's not drinking anymore?
Tagal na. 7 years, 8
kahit
years.
one drink?
8 years
Why?
sober.
Why? I mean,
But he's out every night.
yeah, pero why?
Ang reason
May
niya.
trigger yan, for sure.
No, when ayaw rin niya yung feeling na nagwa-blackout, gano'n. Ayaw rin niya. And also,
so nakatodo na before.
nakatodo na.
Clean living na talaga ngayon.
And sabi niya, he goes out every night. Hindi niya kaya i-sustain na iinom pa siya every night, tapos lalabas pa siya. Sabi niya, if I wanna go out every night, something's gotta give. Either prioritize na, lalabas ako pero hindi ako inom, or inom ako pero hindi ako lalabas.
So, nung time na magkakasama kayo, wala?
No, nung early days of Boys Night Out, syempre inom kami.
No, ito, yung huli.
Wala.
Hindi siya umiinom
Nope,
at all.
not even a drop of wine.
Wow.
8 years. 8 years na.
Wow.
Kahit isang patak, kahit isang shot, di siya mag-shot. Tutubig siya.
Dapamigil. Ang tindi.
Shift to socializing and different in-person activities, more, of course, the wellness trends.
Wellness era kasi talaga yung 2025, B.
Which I think is good.
Yeah, true. I think yan yung isa sa mga magandang nadulot ng social media. Yung parang minsan ayaw mo naman talaga mag-workout. But yun na nga kasi lahat ng nasa feed mo, pinagpapawisan. So ikaw, sinisipag ka na, uy, teka, kaysa humilata ako. Papawis lang ng konti. I mean, don't pressure yourself too much. Ayun, babalik na naman tayo doon sa naging topic natin last episode na ako, I think mas nag-lose ako ng weight nung hindi ko pressure yung sarili ko to exercise every day.
Yep.
Pag ayoko, papahinga ako. Pag pagod ako, magpapahinga ako. Pag gusto ko uminom, iinom ako. But not to the extent na yun nga, yung magwawala ka, mabablackout ka, or malalasing ka. Kasi nandun na rin naman tayo sa edad na alam natin yung limitations natin. Well, iba-iba to, pero sa akin din kasi, it really helped me with my December stress. Sobrang, sabi ko nga nung time na nag-uusap kami ng mga friends ko, grabe no, sobrang talino na nakaimbento ng alcohol. Kasi I don't know what's with it, pero pag magkakasama tayo, mas masarap talaga.
Social
nang may
lubricant.
1 or 2 drinks.
Sabi nga nila, social lubricant talaga siya. Dahil mga mahihiyain, biglang nagsasalita. Diba?
As long as you're not addicted to it.
Correct.
There's
a
nothing
difference.
wrong with it. And as long as nakaka-function ka kinabukasan ng maayos, kung may work ka man, then so be it. Hindi ko nga alam if it's alcohol or is it because brinake ko yung routine ko. May bago akong ginagawa last December na hindi ko ginagawa usually. Kasi hindi na rin naman talaga kami umiinom ni Mike eh.
But
parang
I believe that. Yung,
diba yung parang i-break mo ko yung normal routine mo, try doing other stuff.
Something else.
Baka mas maging okay ka.
I also realized one thing na I like what you said, and I think that's one of the things not a resolution, but more of the priorities that gusto ko talagang bigyan ng priority this year would be better sleep, less stress.
Amen. Parang lahat tayo gusto yan.
No. But I believe we were talking about this off the air kanina na hindi mo napapansin, mas parang pumayat ka. Mas parang nag-glow ka.
Oo.
Nung hindi mo fino-focus na shit, kailangan
ko gawin to.
Kailangan ko gawin to. Kailangan gawin yan. Let go of the stress factor. If your body, you wake up and your body tells you magpahinga ka today, magpahinga ka today. Diba? Pag sinabi niya, sige, let's work. Diba? Workout ka today, mag-workout ka today. If it becomes a pressure na parang shit, kailangan mag-workout today, I think doon nagba-backfire. Like your mental state, your body will follow your mental state.
Yeah.
No? So if you feel like having a drink, go have that drink. If you feel like
you wanna rest?
Hilata Netflix buong araw sa bahay.
Do it!
Do that shit.
Yeah.
If you want to listen to Lecheng Pag-ibig the whole day, listen to the podcast
Sama
the whole
nyo.
day.
Correct.
Diba? It's a year, I think, for me, of doing that. I'll be more conscious about that, of listening to my mind and my body. To avoid the burnout.
Dapat naman talaga.
To avoid the burnout, to avoid the heavily stressed situations. Give yourself that time, that grace to do what you want to do. To rest. Hindi kailangan, I think that's a problem with me na na-realize ko. I'm always, resting felt wrong.
Yeah.
At one point.
And sometimes, magpapahinga ka pag pagod na pagod ka na. Hindi pala ganun dapat. Magpapahinga ka bago ka pa mapagod.
Parang tubig.
Yun daw,
Drink
yun ang
water
ideal.
bago ka mauhaw.
Yun ang ideal.
Exactly. So, I was on that train na do this, do that. It felt wrong resting. Pag meron akong day off, parang shit, may mali. Something's not right.
Na parang wala kang ginagawa.
I had to change that mindset.
Yeah.
It can't work that way. Kasi, ang nangyayari, yung day off ko, naging stressful day. Nagka-counter counter-strike ba?
I think ang makakapagsabi lang talaga nun kung ngayong araw na to, kailangan mo ng pahinga, kailangan mo ng tulog, kailangan mo ng konting social connection, kailangan mong magpapawis.
Prioritize ko rin yan. Connections this year.
Walang ibang makakapagsabi kung anong kailangan mo, kundi ikaw mismo. Hindi yung asawa ko, hindi yung nanay ko or tatay ko, hindi yung tao sa paligid ko. It's me. Kasi tayo yung nakakakilala sa sarili natin. So yes, same tayo. Pag sinasabi ni Mayang, ka na uminom, tama na yan. Ang sinagot ko lang sa kanya, hala, paano to?
No.
Yung once a week inom ko, love, na 2 glass or 3. Doon ako sumasaya, bawal.
Diba?
Wala na siya nagawa.
You know
Kasi
yourself
again, you
better.
know yourself
Better
well.
than anyone.
You know what's good for you. As long as hindi yan talaga makakasama sa'yo.
Of course.
If ma-feel mo na pag ginawa mo tong bagay na to, sumasaya ka talaga and it makes you feel good, it takes away your stress, then do it.
I think to wrap
Just
it
do
up, this year, let's all try to prioritize ourselves.
Whatever
Whatever it is that, there's nothing wrong with resting, nothing wrong with taking a break. If you need a vacation, take a vacation. The world won't stop spinning.
Yeah.
Pagbalik mo, may trabaho ka pa rin, maniwala ka.
Correct.
Pag magtatrabaho ka pa, mapagod ka ulit.
Oo.
Take the time also to reflect on, yun nga, what really makes you happy, what things you value. And there's something that gives you that peace of mind, that happiness, go
for
mo
it.
yan, no?
Just do it.
Just do it.
And ayun nga papi, alam mo yun, hindi lang ikaw parang lahat ng tao, pakiramdam nila, kapag nilagay nila sa number 1 list yung sarili nila, feeling nila selfish sila. Or nakaka-guilty.
That's me.
I think most of the people are like that. Ngayong 2026, ang mindset dapat natin,
Baliktad.
hindi nakaka-guilty unahin ng sarili.
Because everything else will follow.
So, #sarili mo naman sa 2026.
Kala ko magsarili ka sa 2026.
Hindi, iba
Eto
yun,
na,
iba
eto na.
yun.
But thank you so much. Once again, click the subscribe, the like button, the follow button, Spotify, YouTube, wherever you listen to this podcast. Thank you so much for joining us, and a lot more episodes coming up for 2026. Let us know what you guys want to talk about.
Yeah. May
pwede
mga
namin-
nagsasuggest.
Yes, pwede
Please
namin
feel
i-topic.
free to comment.
There's something that you really wanna discuss natin. Parang ano kaya take ni Chacha tsaka ni Sam dyan.
Yan.
Let us know, because we love that. We love hearing from you guys, and we love to make that the topic sa aming susunod na episode.